Have you ever felt the thrill of the unknown? Like standing at the edge of a cliff, where every step feels like a dare, or hearing tales of places so mysterious they almost seem unreal. Today, we're diving in a world of danger and intrigue. 10 places on Earth that are not only dangerous, but also wrapped in mysteries that even science can't fully explain. Get ready, because what you'll hear might just change the way you see our planet forever. Number 10. The Bermuda Triangle, nature's biggest disaster zone. The Bermuda Triangle, often called the graveyard of the Atlantic, is a legendary stretch of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This triangular region has gained global infamy due to the countless ships and planes that have mysteriously vanished within its borders. Over the decades, hundreds of incidents have been reported, sparking theories ranging from plausible science to outright bizarre. One of the most famous disappearances occurred in 1945 when Flight 19, a group of 5 US Navy bombers, vanished during a routine training exercise. Even more perplexing, the rescued planes sent to find them also disappeared without a trace. That's not a one-off. Vessels like the USS Cyclops and SS Marine Sulphur Queen met similar fates, leaving no wreckage or survivors behind. Scientists suggest natural phenomena like magnetic anomalies, methane gas eruptions, and unpredictable weather patterns as the culprits. But then, there's the fun stuff. Conspiracy theories about alien abductions, wormholes, and even Atlantis hiding beneath the waves. While most modern pilots and sailors navigate the triangle without issue, the legend itself persists, fueled by unsolved mysteries and scary coincidences. Whether you believe the science or the spooky, one thing is for sure, the Bermuda Triangle is the ultimate mystery of the deep. Number 9. Mount Huat, China. The Stairway to Danger. Located in Jiangxi Province, China, this place is a breathtaking mountain with an equally terrifying reputation. Dubbed as the world's most dangerous hiking trail, this ancient path attracts adventurers from all corners of the globe. But don't let the Instagram-worthy views fool you. This trek isn't for the faint-hearted. The climb involved navigating narrow wooden planks bolted into the mountainside, with only rusty chains to grip as you ascend. Below, a dizzying drop that's enough to make even the most daring hikers second-guess their life choices. The trail's pinnacle is the South Peak, standing at a staggering 7,070 feet, where you'll find a Taoist temple. Locals believe the temple's spiritual energy can bring enlightenment, but one wrong step on the journey there might lead you to enlightenment of a different kind. Despite its dangers, Mount Hua remains a symbol of spiritual perseverance. Its history dated back thousands of years, with pilgrims once risking their lives to honor their faith. Modern visitors often come for the adrenaline rush, but the risk is real. Fatalities have occurred, though official numbers remain disputed. This trail is a reminder that some paths to self-discovery comes with a literal cliffhanger. Now, if dangling off cliffs isn't enough to give you chills, our next destination adds venom to the mix. Quite literally. Number 8. Snake Island, Brazil. The island you'll never want to visit. Ilha da Queimada Grande, better known as Snake Island, lies about 20 miles off the coast of Brazil. Sounds like a typical paradise, right? Wrong. This island is home to an estimated 4,000 golden lacehead vipers, one of the deadliest snake species in the world. These serpents' venom is so toxic it can melt human flesh and cause rapid organ failure. What makes Snake Island even more unnerving is its isolation. With no natural predators to keep their population in check, the snakes have taken over. The Brazilian Navy has banned visitors to the island for safety reasons, except for authorized researchers or maintenance workers checking the island's solitary lighthouse. The golden lacehead viper evolved in isolation, making it unique to this island. They've adapted to their environment by becoming expert hunters, feasting primarily on birds. Despite their fearsome reputation, the species is critically endangered due to its limited habitat. While its ecosystem plays an important role in the natural world, Snake Island remains a place where humans simply don't belong. Admiring its mystery from afar is the safest way to appreciate this deadly paradise. From an island teeming with venom to a lake that turns animal into stone, the next destination will leave you frozen in awe, literally. Number 7. Lake Natron, Tanzania. The lake that turns life to stone. Lake Natron is one of nature's most mesmerizing yet terrifying phenomena. Its blood-red waters, caused by the presence of salt-loving microorganisms, create an otherworldly landscape. But don't let its beauty fool you. This lake is a death trap for most living creatures. With temperatures reaching up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH level as high as 10.5, Lake Natron is essentially a pool of caustic alkaline water. Birds and other animals that mistakenly enter its waters often meet a gruesome fate, their bodies calcified by the lake's chemical composition. These petrified remains are eerily preserved, as if turned into statues by some mythical force. The lake's harsh conditions are due to its proximity to a volcanic region, which contributes to its unique chemical makeup. Despite these challenges, some organisms thrive here, like flamingos that use the lake as a breeding ground. These birds have adapted to the lake's hostile environment, making it a fascinating example of nature's resilience. While Lake Natron is stunningly beautiful, it's also a stark reminder of nature's raw power. It's the kind of place you admire from a safe distance, preferably with a good pair of binoculars. If a petrifying lake isn't chilling enough, our next destination scary eerie silence to a whole new level. Number 6. Aokigahara Forest, Japan, the Sea of Silence. At the base of Mount Fuji in Japan lies Aokigahara, a dense forest known for its haunting beauty and scary silence. Dubbed the Suicide Forest, Aokigahara has a tragic reputation as one of the world's most common places for suicides. But there's more to this place than its somber history. The forest's unique geography is partly to blame for its unsettling vibe. The porous volcanic rock beneath the forest floor absorbs sound, creating a scary stillness and amplifies every step and breath. This quiet has fueled tales of paranormal activity, with locals speaking of yurei, vengeful spirits said to wander the woods, lost between life and death. Aokigahara is also notoriously disorienting. Its thick canopy blocks sunlight, and compasses often malfunction due to the area's high iron content. Without proper preparation, visitors can easily lose their way in this maze-like forest. Despite its somber associations, it's also a popular destination for hikers seeking the forest's natural beauty, lush foliage, and breathtaking views of Mount Fuji. Aokigahara is a paradox, serene yet unsettling, beautiful yet tragic. It's a place that demands both respect and caution, a reminder of nature's power to evoke awe and introspection. If you think silence is scary, wait until you see what bubbling lava lakes and toxic gases can do. Let's head to one of Earth's most inhospitable places. Number 5. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. Earth's fiery cauldron. The Danakil Depression in Ethiopia isn't just one of the hottest places on Earth, it's a literal hellscape. With temperatures regularly soaring above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, this sun-scorching region is one of the most inhospitable places on the planet. But its unearthly landscape is what truly sets it apart, featuring bubbling lava lakes, toxic sulfur springs, and neon-colored salt flats. Sitting at the junction of three tectonic plates, the Danakil Depression is a geological hotspot where the Earth's crust is slowly pulling apart. This ongoing activity has created surreal features, like acidic pools that shimmers the vibrant hues of yellow, green, and red. These colors come from sulfur deposits and mineral reactions, painting a landscape that feels like Mars than Earth. Despite its extreme conditions, the depression supports unique microbial life, thriving in boiling acid, a fact that has fascinated scientists studying the possibilities of life on other planets. The region is also home to the Afar people, who have adapted to survive in this harsh environment, and even mine its abundant salt deposits. The Danakil Depression is beautiful, otherworldly, and deadly, a true testament to the raw power of nature. From fiery extremes to dizzying heights, our destination offers a thrill that's as breathtaking as it is terrifying. Number 4. Devil's Pool, Zambia. Nature's most daring infinity pool. Perched on the edge of the mighty Victoria Falls in Zambia, Devil's Pool is the ultimate thrill-seeker's destination. This natural rock pool forms during dry seasons when Zambezi River's water level drop, creating a shallow area right at the fall's edge. Brave, or perhaps reckless, visitors can swim in this pool, peering over 355 feet drop into soaring waters below. Guides lead visitors carefully into Devil's Pool, ensuring safety as they navigate the slippery rocks and swirling waters. But make no mistake, this is not your average day at the pool. One wrong move could send you plummeting over the falls, making this experience as heart-pounding as it is awe-inspiring. Despite the danger, thousands flock here every year for the once-in-a-lifetime chance to experience Victoria Falls from its unique vantage point. The combination of natural beauty and adrenaline-fueled excitement has cemented Devil's Pools as a bucket list destination. However, this adventure is not for everyone. If heights and rushing water aren't your thing, it's probably best to admire the falls from a safety or nearby viewing platforms. From the edge of a waterfall to the depths of human history, our next stop is an island where the past still lingers and haunts. Number 3. Poveglia Island, Italy. Europe's forbidden nightmare. Nestled in the Venetian lagoon of Italy lies Poveglia Island, a place shrouded in darkness and tragedy. Once a quarantine station during the Black Death and later a psychiatric asylum, this tiny island has earned its reputation as one of the most haunted places on Earth. Locals refer to it as the Island of Ghosts, and its chilling past gives good reason for the nickname. During the bubonic plague, thousands of infected people were sent to Poveglia to die. Their bodies burnt in massive pits. Centuries later, the island became home to a psychiatric hospital where patients reported seeing shadowy figures and hearing disembodied screams. Allegedly, a deranged doctor performed crucial experiments before throwing himself in the asylum's bell tower. To this day, locals claim the bell can still be heard, even though it was removed long time ago. The Italian government has closed the island to visitors, adding to the air of mystery. Paranormal investigators who managed to sneak in described it as oppressively eerie, with an atmosphere so heavy it's almost suffocating. Poveglia is a stark reminder that some histories are too haunting to forget, and some places are better left undisturbed. From ghostly whispers to a town frozen in time, our next destination will take you straight in the aftermath of a modern tragedy. Number 2. Chernobyl Exclusion Zone, Ukraine. A ghost town frozen in time. The Chernobyl Exclusion Zone is one of the most haunting places on Earth. Frozen in the aftermath of the 1986 nuclear disaster. Once a bustling community, this area became a ghost town overnight after a catastrophic reactor explosion released deadly radiation. Today, the zone covers 1,000 square miles of abandoned villages, overgrown forests, and eerie reminders of a once thriving society. The city of Plia, just 3 miles from the reactor, is perhaps the most iconic site within the zone. Its abandoned amusement park, complete with a rusting Ferris wheel, stands as a chilling symbol of a day that started normally but ended up in catastrophe. Radiation levels remain hazardous in certain areas, making it one of the world's most dangerous places to visit. Despite the risk, the exclusion zone has become a dark tourism hotspot, attracting thousands of visitors each year. Guided tours navigate the safer parts of the zone, showcasing how nature has reclaimed the land. Wildlife thrives here, with wolves, wild horses, and lynxes returning in numbers unseen elsewhere. Chernobyl serves as a powerful reminder of humanity's potential for both destruction and resilience. A place where time stands still, yet life finds a way. And now, we've arrived to the number 1 spot. It's an island so mysterious and hostile it seemed trapped in another era altogether. Number 1. North Sentinel Island, India. The island that time forgot. Located in the Andaman Sea, it is one of the most mysterious and untouched places on Earth, home to the Sentinelese tribe. This small, forested island has resisted contact with the outside world for thousands of years. The Sentinelese are among the last uncontacted peoples, living in complete isolation and fiercely protecting their way of life. Attempts to approach the island have been met with hostility. In 2006, 2 fishermen were accidentally drifted near its shore were killed by the tribe. Even officials' mission to establish peaceful contact had failed, often ending in violence or retreat. Indian authorities have since declared the island off limits to protect both the Sentinelese and outsiders. The tribe's isolation means they lack immunity to modern diseases, and any contact could be catastrophic for their survival. The Sentinelese lifestyle remains a mystery. They are believed to hunt, fish, and gather, thriving without modern technology. The dense jungle canopy hides any detail of their daily lives, adding to the intrigue surrounding the island. North Sentinel Island is a place where time stands still, a reminder of humanity's ancient roots. It's a world apart, and maybe that's exactly how it should remain, untouched and mysterious. Our journey through the world's most mysteriously dangerous places has been nothing short of fascinating, hasn't it? From petrifying lakes to ghostly islands, these spots remind us of nature's power, history's impact, and resilience of life itself. Which one intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed uncovering these mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventures into the unknown. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and remember, some mysteries are better left unsolved.